that is related to his field. Especially at the same time, he has tremendous zeal to explain the concrete and delicate subject like economics. Even in the science of sociology or social science of social study, he has a knowledge, expertise, and is able to understand not only student, even the teacher alone. He mesmerizes lecture in a way that no one need to go to some other line except his teaching profession. Being a mastermind, not only a master degree holder in English, he has a mastermind. Not only in English, even his native language Assamese. He can write in a very concrete language, giving the dimension of the language in a multifaceted rule. He is not a man in one subject. He is one in many, not many in one. Very rare teacher we found in schools and college. They have a skill in a particular subject. Someone expert in English, someone economics, someone history, someone mathematics, but he is exceptional. He is one in many that he is able to render service or teach English properly, freely, frankly, authoritatively. At the same time, in other subject, if he is put in action, he can able to make it in a very convenient way, make the student at the same time teacher to realize his potential. That's why I appreciate him, I admit him, and at the same time I bow down for his good quality. He is a noble man, a man with a high caliber, a man of character, a man of dignity, a man of social possession, a man of social cohesion. Today you feel not happy. I am also not happy because this is a juncture of life. It is a juncture of life. It is a new beginning for him. It is a new beginning for his future generation. And the way he served the nation, I still remember. Everybody remember. You student remember. Teaching staff remember. Everybody appreciate him. I too not expression in this great regard. Finally, as you are not in a good condition, as the lines are not available, we feel suffocation. So I don't want to increase the length of my subject anymore. This is telling goodbye to Mr. Sharma sir, and I request him to remember all the teaching fraternity of the school and the college of the student. At the same time, Burhanuddin, I request him to maintain a good relation with everyone through negotiation, talk about telephone and some other media. This is so saying, I end my speech to this